In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive for beginners. We're going to walk through a simple, repeatable flow that lets you use Pipedrive as your main CRM with as few clicks as possible. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a deal, keep it updated, and move it all the way to won or lost in a really streamlined way. First, start in your main pipeline view. This is the screen with the columns that represent each stage of your sales process. At the top left, you'll see a green button that says Plus Deal. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point every time you want to add a new opportunity into Pipedrive. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you enter the basic information for the deal. Type in the person's name so you can link the opportunity to a specific contact. Add the company name as well, which is helpful for tracking all deals related to the same organization. Then enter the deal value. This is the potential revenue for that opportunity, and it helps you understand what your pipeline is actually worth at a glance. Once those fields are filled in, click the green Save button. As soon as you do that, Pipedrive will place this new deal into the first stage of your pipeline, in the form of a card. You should now see that card sitting in the leftmost column. Now, you don't want deals just sitting there with no clear follow-up. To keep things moving, look for a small yellow hazard icon or a gray clock icon on that deal card. Click that and choose Schedule an Activity. This is how you tell Pipedrive what you're going to do next with this prospect. In the Activity window, pick the type of activity you're planning. For example, select Call if you're going to phone the contact, or Email if you're planning to reach out that way. Set the date and time so it shows up on your calendar inside Pipedrive. Then click Save. Logging this activity means you always know the next action for every deal. As your relationship with the prospect moves forward, simply click and drag the deal card into the next column or stage of your pipeline. Keep doing this as you progress, so the card visually follows the real status of the opportunity. Finally, once the sale is finalized, drag the deal card down to either the won area or the lost area at the bottom of the screen. That's how you close the loop on that opportunity and keep your pipeline clean and accurate.